Do you know anyone that is obese? According to an article, the prevalence of obesity was 38.9% and affected about 93.3 million of as adults in 2015 to 2016. Over 300,000 deaths in the United States a year are due to obesity. Obesity known to be a major risk factor for breast cancer in post-menopausal women. Child safety seat manufacturers have begun to make bigger models after a recent study showed that over 250,000 USA. According to an online survey that RAD Center for Food Policy and Obesity at Yale University, nearly half of the 4,000 people tested reported that they would give up a year for their life rather than be fat. In 2000, airline spent $275 million on 350 million additional gallons of fuel to compensate for the additional weight for their passengers. 100 years ago, the average person ate less than 10 pounds of sugar per year. Today, the average person in the United States eats over 100 pounds per year. Obesity can be a side effect of certain disorders such as Cushing syndrome, hypothyroidism, neurological distress, damage of the hypothalamus. One way we can stop obesity is to be unhealthy diets.